what politician was important for you getting that sculpture in Fairview Park?
Tony Gregory. I was to get one on the North Strand for the bombing, and he wasn't having it. And Gregory said, no, I was to get the one that went down in Limerick. I have a huge one in Limerick. And that was to go for Children of Lear. And they didn't want it. They criticised me in the paper about that. And Gregory said, well, you get one in the park though. And that's interesting. Why did I tell you this? When Ireland was playing away in Russia, and Tui and them and Noel O'Reilly has run the team, right? And of course, the Irish lads been on the bus were singing, and the Russians were there filming them all the time, you know, getting the lads. So they came up to this bridge, and the Russians said, oh, this is where the peasant army stopped the mighty German army, you see. And they put this piece of sculpture up. And this fella played for Boas, I forget his name now. He said, Jesus, that's like something that those fellas put in Fairview Park, a heap of scrap. And they were saying, who's this?
Because I remember the man that was in charge of Dublin City Council's cultural advisory committee was a man called Ned Brennan from Fianna Fáil. What was Ned's opinion of the sculpture you wanted in Fairview Park?
He said it was the biggest it was a Mickey Mouse piece. Mm-hmm. And Ben Briscoe said it was the biggest Mickey Mouse piece I've ever seen because it's 3 foot higher than Doug, was like a bus. So the artist, fellow said, JJ, and every time somebody done something, they would say, the Mickey Mouse artist done that. So I got great advertisement out of that.
Speaking of Tony Gregory, you have designed a bronze plaque honouring Tony Gregory that's over at Summerhill Parade.
And that is 2 boards, 2 hands, with boards coming out of them. And the symbol is, he didn't go to Hoggy with his hands clenched, fighting them. He went out and asked for something simple. So the boards, he brought peace, he got them houses built, he got everything, things like that. And that's what that is from. That's where the boards are coming out of his hand. I could have put the hands like that with a hammer in them or something like that, or, you know, but I didn't. I put the piece, because he went there nice and gentle, talked to him, and got the houses built and got all that stuff built. That's what.